Hey guys, I got two unboxing videos to do for you guys today. They're both Adidas Micoach. One of them's in leather and the other one's in synthetic. I got these off soccerpro.com and I got these from the Soccer Warehouse. So let's start off with the leather version. I just got these today in the mail. They came today both at the same time, so that was good. Here's the box. Go f50 Adizero TRX firm ground leather. I got these in the US exclusive release colorway, the silver, the slime and chrome and black. So open it up. You get the wear and care instructions. So the leather version of the Micoach, they don't come with the boot cream or the extra insole like the Adizero 2s. These already come stocked with the sock liner, the comfort one. So here you go. See, that's the Golio calf leather right here. It's nice. Got the Sprint web. And more up here, it's more synthetic, but it has a leather finish to it. Here's the Sprint frame. The bottom too. And got the left boot. Got the Micoach cavity down here, which goes in this boot, the left one only. It won't. There's no little hole in the right boot, only the left one in there. There you go. And that's pretty much everything that comes in the box. Just pretty much the shoes. So now the synthetic version. I got these from Soccer Warehouse for $180 with shipping and everything, so that was pretty good. I got the Euro 2012 version, the colorway, the infrared running white and blue. Open it up. You get the comfort insoles. The synthetic ones do come with the extra insole. Again, the wear and care instructions. And now the shoes. So these are the synthetic version. So the Sprint skin right here. Sprint web. Sprint frame. The left boot, same thing as the right one. Just this one, you have the Micoach cavity, the actual hole. Both of them have a little bump at the bottom, the right and left boot, but only the left one you can put in the chip. So hopefully you guys like this video. So thank you.